Hi, anyone and everyone. This is Kim, the Humble Hermit from Come As You Are Oracle. I'm going to do a collective children's oracle and affirmations for today, Thursday, September 12th, 2024. You may follow me on the book, the Insta, the talk, or the tube, or not. Totally up to you. Take what resonate, but it all might resonate because it's just children's affirmations. I just realized I dated the other oracle and affirmations wrong for today. Um, Children's spirit cards, children's spirit animal cards, anniversary edition, Dr. Stephen Farmer with Jessica Camacho. All right. Just some affirmations to take back to your kids today. Things to tell them, things to work on with them, all that good stuff. We'll do one more shuffle here. There's not many cards in this deck. I think it's like 20, 24 cards, something like that. But they tend to fall out fast. Slippery little devils. We've got Swan. You are beautiful just as you are. We've got Horse. Trust your feelings. We get this one. We've got this one before. Turtle. Take your time. Shouldn't that have been a snail? You know, like snail's pace. Take your time. Fox. Surprise others with favors. I do that enough. Hummingbird. Cheer up. Bottom of the deck, by the way. I know sometimes I get on here and I choose to talk about the dark side of things with kids. But I do that for a reason because as a child, I saw the dark side of childhood. So, Horse, trust your feelings. Don't ever let your kids believe that their feelings don't matter, especially when it comes to predators, things like that. If your kid tells you that someone touched them inappropriately, believe that kid. Do something, say something. Stand up for your kid. I didn't have that when I was a kid. Just some words of wisdom there. And it's funny because on social media, you see more and more where women are standing up and saying, you know, my husband, my boyfriend, whatever, assaulted my kid or assaulted my kids or raped my kids. That's what you should be doing. If your husband is raping your kids, you should take those kids and get the hell out of there. I don't know what else to tell you. If you keep putting your children in that situation, then you become the monster. So just some thoughts there. I know it's a little dark and probably not what you want to hear, but um, you got to be realistic about those types of things. Um, most of the people that have ever hurt me, raped me, sexually assaulted me, physically assaulted me, were family and friends. There was only one stranger. I was raped 3 times, sexually assaulted 3 times, physically assaulted once. One time it was a stranger. One time. All right, guys. Take these positive affirmations back to your kids, please. And hopefully they do you some good as well. I hope you have a fabulous Thursday. And I will talk to you later. Bye.